Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video. You know when you're waiting for things to come out and you're waiting and waiting, and this is one of the things I've been waiting for so long, and I created this eye look today. Forgot what I was doing, using said palette that arrived today. Before I show you what it is, I would love it if you could subscribe down below, like this video if you like it, and comment and say hello. And if you're new here, hello. We're going to play with makeup, yay! So yeah, I created this look, and what we used was this, the I Heart Revolution One True Love palette. Can we just, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my god. Look at it. It's just the most mesmerisingly beautiful thing possibly ever. That's a palette, that's an eyeshadow palette, people. And it's just so pretty. So these are £10 from the Revolution Beauty website. They came out with 3. So there's this one, which is the pink one. Then there is a sort of mint green kind of colour one and a purple one. I went for this one because I thought it was adorable and I like the colours inside, and I will show you. So I have obviously used this on my eyeballs, hence it's a bit messy. These are the colours. They are really beautiful, and I'm highly enjoying the whole thing. So if you want to see how I created this and what I think about it, then we will do that next. But first, you do need to like or subscribe, or both, that'd be great, and go buy one of these. Anyway, I'm going to jump into this now, and we'll create this eye look. We're just going to have to use the mattes first. I'm really sorry if it all disappears under here. My eyes keep watering and I can't stop them. I don't know. So I'm going to go in with this matte shade here first. My brush is just stained, by the way. It's not filthy dirty green shadows and all that. Oh, I've got a little bit of, I'm going to call that eyebrow discharge. So this shade doesn't really do anything on me. So after that I'm going to go straight in with this pink shade at the bottom and just run that through my crease. Oh, that's pretty. See, can you see? My eyes are watering and my foundation is off. Just taking a little hike, which means my eyeshadow will do the same. Because of the colour palette that I chose, I feel like there's not much more I can do with it than this, do you know what I mean? Like, I would use this normally probably in combination with something else, because it's a bit, like, the mattes are a bit basic, but it is a pretty, the pink is really gorgeous. I'm gonna go in with this middle shade, kind of on the outer edge here, which isn't what I was planning on doing, but we shall give it a go. Just to kind of deepen up the edge, because I don't really want to use the brown. I'm just going to get a fluffy brush. I washed all my brushes, are you impressed? And just blend that out a little bit. think I might add a little bit of that brown, even though I feel like I'm going to do it and regret it straight away. It's quite a plummy brown. Does that make sense? I know what I mean. Oh, too much. Actually, yeah, that looks nice. I like it now I've done it. Put that to the side for a minute. I'm going to cut the old crease with some concealer. There it is. I don't even know what this brush is. I got this brush off eBay and it's just a flat brush, but for me it works really well. I'm only going to do a half cut crease. I have hooded eyelids as well, so I have to do my like I know a lot of people do a line across their lid and then blink, but I have hooded eyelids, so I can't really do that. Otherwise you still wouldn't see it. So as you can see, I have to go higher than my crease. A little bit further round. I think I'm going to use this top shade here. Taking that all over that cut crease, but I will use another shade in a second. And then I'm just going to pat that into the edge. Pat, dab, whatever. And then I'm going to take, that was this bottom shade here, and do that around here. That wasn't a contrast enough, so I'm going to take this shade in the middle again and see if that... Okay, that looks quite pretty. This brown again on the same brush there and blend. I kind of tap. And slowly build it between the two. So going back in with that purple, that deeper purple metallic, and then the brown. I feel like I want to dab into this shade here as well and just light up the inner corner. That's so pretty. And then under the lower lash line, do I just take the brown? I think I'm going to take the brown first. Obviously it's going to miss a bit because my eyes are not playing happy. And then I'm going to take that middle purple again. And then take that little tiny fluffy brush. Not stab yourself in the eye like I just did. Ta-da! I'm just going to put, I think this shade again on the inner corner. That is my little creation. I'm just going to go off camera and do this eye, and I will be back in a smidgeroo. So I popped on some of the Revolution, the Mascara Revolution, and finished the other eye, and this is the finished look. I think I love this palette. I just think everything about it is adorable. It's £10 and you are mainly buying the packaging. Like, I'm not even denying the fact that I probably wouldn't have bought an all pink palette because I don't need an all pink palette, but look at the all pink palette. Like that's packaging goals. Like, that's not going in a drawer, that's going somewhere on my dressing table so the world can see how adorable it is, and every morning I probably just turn it over so I can watch it do that. The actual product inside, which some of you will also care about, actually works really well. They're really pigmented. They went on really well, and I didn't use any of the metallics wet, and I think this turned out quite pretty. There was some fallout, but unless I'm using a really dark colour, I'm just not bothered by fallout. Plus the packaging is just so adorable. Look at it, it's so cute. So that pretty much gets over any flaws it's got. I can just look at it and feel better. But to be honest, the only flaw is the fallout. That's it. All the colours, all the shades were easy to use, and this took like no time at all, and it looks really nice. So that's all I care about, and it's £10. I think it's well worth a purchase. If I'd be tempted to buy the other two now, to be honest. Now I know how beautiful it is. I would probably be tempted to buy the other two, but I know that I Heart Revolution sneak peeked a donut, a squidgy donut eyeshadow palette. So now I'm just going to wait and buy all of them because they're squidgy and I want them all. So, but yeah, for £10 for the packaging, it's on its own. I would buy it, and that's pretty much why I did buy it. I would highly recommend it, and yeah, you can get it off the Revolution Beauty. But I hope you liked what I created with this, and I'll just put this up here once more so you can. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe down here. It's down here. I'm looking at this, I don't know which. I tried to work it out. I was editing my last video and I was thinking, man, you need to get it right which side it's at. I'm never going to get it right. I'll always get it wrong. But if you could subscribe, that would be great. I know I've got quite a few new subscribers, so hi if you're one of them. If you could like this video, that would be amazing. And comment down below whether you have bought one of these, are going to buy one of these, and if you just love it because it's so cute. It's really heavy, I'm surprised. But yeah, and I will see you in the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!